you on a vibrant day. Myself Sushmita Sahu, and going to take science, and in science I am going to deal with chapter 14 of class 8 with reference to NCERT, chemical effects of electric current. Really an interesting topic, because we all know what electric current is. In our daily life we are using it, and there are so many cautions given by our parents. Don't touch this, don't touch this. Because why we should not touch the electric current or the naked wires. We'll come to know about this in this chapter. So if you like my channel, kindly subscribe for it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's begin. Chemical effects of electric current. Electric current, as you know, have good conductors and bad conductors. The good conductors are those conductors through which the electric current can pass, and the bad conductors are, or the poor conductors are, those where the electricity cannot pass. And now let us classify them. Like copper or the metals usually are good conductors, and the rubber, ebonite, wood, and some plastics are the bad conductor of electricity. So whenever we touch a wire, it is always said that wear the rubber gloves before you touch it. So let us see how to find good conductor and bad conductor. Simply by this simple circuit diagram, we can make a circuit. We can have a battery, attached to it is a switch, the bulb, and before that we can have instead of switch, we can put the thing which we want to know is a good conductor or a bad conductor, and make a complete circuit. So instead of switch, we have to replace the conductors. So when we place a wood, the bulb does not glow, but when we place some copper metal, the bulb glows. So this is a simple method by which you can come to know if thing is a good conductor or a bad conductor. Now for one thing we should know, that this is not a 100% test, because why does a bulb glow? It glows due to heating effect of the current. The filament of the bulb gets heated and it starts glowing. But if your conductor is weak, then it might not give that much of heating effect to the filament, and it might not glow that brightly, or might not even glow. So this is not a 100% test, but yes, at this level you can check it up with the good conductors and the bad conductors. Now we can see, now the next question comes is, do liquid conducts electricity? Similar way, we can just make a circuit diagram. Instead of conductor, we can put water, or we can put vinegar or any liquid, and check if the bulb is glowing or not. So we come to know that water is also a very good conductor of electricity. Electricity passes through water, and this is the liquid state of solvents give us the many chemical effects, of which we are using many of them. Now let's come to the next. Testing conductivity of electricity in lemon juice of vinegar. You can just take two nails which are carbon rod, and put them in a water with vinegar or with little bit of lemon juice, and make a circuit of that. The metal caps of the iron should be out of the water. We see there is some reaction or some air bubble near these electrodes. The iron, the carbon rod you have put, or the nails which you have put, are known as electrodes. So there is some change near the electrodes. That is, the passage of electric current through the conducting solution causes chemical reaction. As a result, bubble of gases may be formed on the electrodes. Deposits of metals may be seen on electrodes, and we are using lots of this when I will be explaining you the galvanization, or when I will be explaining you the electroplating. This is what we are using. The reaction would depend on the water solution, on type of solution, and the electrodes which we are using. These are some of the chemical effects of electric current. And now again we are seeing the chemical effect of the electric current. The next is, this is a very important use of conduction in liquid or chemical effect of a electric current. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another metal by means of electricity is called electroplating. I repeat, the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. It is one of the most common application of chemical effects of electric current. I told you previously also. Electroplating is a very useful process. It is widely used in industries for coating metal objects with a thin layer of different metal. The layer of metal deposited has some desired property which the metal on which it is being coated lacks. For example, chromium plating is done on many objects such as car parts, bathtubs, kitchen gases, burnets, bicycles, and many other wheels and rims of many wheels and many other things. Chromium, why we are doing this plating? Chromium has a shiny appearance and it does not corrode. It resists scratches. However, chromium is expensive and it may not be economical to make the whole object of chromium. You might have seen your Godrej almaras. Even they have the chromium layer deposited on the iron or on the iron layer. So, because of the good qualities of chromium. So, the object is made from a cheaper metal and only a coating of chromium is deposited on it. This is even in jewelry. See here I have shown you many this thing. Jewelry makes electroplate silver and gold on less expensive metal. These ornaments have the appearance of silver or gold but are much less expensive. So, we have seen that electroplating is being used too much in the industries and especially in big industries also and in the jewelry industry also. With this, I would like to thank you. Thank you. If you have any problem, you can put it in the comment box. I am sure I will be able to solve it. Keep studying, keep wrecking your mind. Take care. Bye.